Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are currently watching the K-drama Crash Landing Onto You with Ye-Jin and Hyunbin. Who's watching it? Give this video a thumbs up if you are watching this drama. So this is currently my favorite drama, and I fell in love with Ye-Jin's fashion sense and all her outfits in this drama, so I decided to do a video on this, talking about my favorite outfit of hers, Yoonse-ri's. For those that don't watch this drama, it's about Ye-Jin. Her name is Yoonse-ri. She gets in an accident and she accidentally lands in North Korea where she meets Hyunbin. So there she falls in love with Hyunbin, and she kind of has to follow the North Korean trends like fashion and beauty, because first of all, she doesn't have money, and then she also doesn't have access to a lot of beauty products and clothing. So she dresses like the North Koreans, and her hairstyle and makeup is a lot like North Koreans while she's stranded there. So her style did change a lot while she was staying in North Korea. When she was in Seoul, she was totally opposite. She grew up from a wealthy family. She was very successful. She dressed really nice, very chic and sophisticated. So her style and look is totally different from when she was in Seoul and then when she was in North Korea. But I liked both, actually. North Korea is more old-fashioned because they don't have access to media, so they don't know what's trendy. So it's very old-fashioned. I think the fashion that you see in North Korea is something that Koreans in South Korea would have wore in the 70s. But Ye-Jin, she pulled it off really nicely. I loved all her outfits actually while she was in North Korea. So for the first look, I'll show you guys her Seoul, South Korea style. So this first look is how Yoonse-ri normally dresses. Like I mentioned, she was born into a very wealthy family and she's very successful herself. So she always dressed really nice, very chic. She always had really nice jewelry. So I'm gonna put on this bling bling earring. And her makeup, she didn't wear a whole lot of makeup. They interviewed her makeup artist, and she said that Ye-Jin's the type that looks better when she has less makeup on. So her makeup artist, for her face, she didn't use a lot of smoky and harsh makeup. It was more natural, and the point was her lip colors. She didn't wear a lot of blush either. She didn't wear any false lashes or anything. I think they said she wore a lot of pink eyeshadows. I kind of wore a pink eyeshadow today. I'm on episode 12 right now, and I noticed whenever she's in Seoul, she either has really nice straight hair or those really nice voluminous S-wave curls. But today I'll just show you guys the straight look, since I'm going to curl my hair anyways for the North Korean hairstyle. Is actually how I always just normally style my hair. She just has this side curl, one strand. She slicks this hair back behind her ears. The lip is the main point. I'm just applying this red lipstick from Lancome. And then I'm just going to apply some fuchsia pink color on top. And that's very similar to the color she has on. I seriously loved all her outfits when she was in Seoul. I noticed that she wore a lot of puffy shoulder blazers. I don't have any right now. I left all my puffy sleeve blazers back in Dallas because there was a time when puffy sleeve blazers were in, it was super trendy, but I guess it's coming back now. So man, I should have brought it. Let's move on to her North Korea looks. Okay, so the first North Korean look of Yoonse-ri's that I liked was when she wore the furry pink cardigan. This is the closest that I could find. She also has a silk light pink yellow handkerchief around her neck, but this is the closest that I could find. I think North Korea, still a lot of the girls wear a lot of handkerchiefs around their neck, around their head. They also use it as a hair tie. So I think it's really popular. So she kind of ties this on her neck. Okay, she tied it twice. Make sure not to tie too tight. Okay. Like this. She doesn't have on any fancy accessories. And then she has her hair in a braid on the side. It's funny because I used to always do this hairstyle too. Like 9 years ago when I first started YouTube. Do you guys remember? I used to always have my hair tied to the side, braided to the side like this. And she has this hairstyle actually a lot throughout this drama. She was in North Korea for like the first like 10 episodes and she had this hairstyle a lot. She didn't have access to a lot of makeup in North Korea, so her eye makeup, she barely wore any eye makeup. You know the look where you had on a lot of lipstick and then you wipe it off, and the look that's left after wiping it off? If that makes sense. Like right now, I took off the lipstick that I had on before, so it's like kind of your lip but slightly tinted. That's what she had. I really actually like this look of hers. The hairstyle is something I still do now, and the handkerchief, I actually like it. And pink on pink. Okay, so let's move on to her second North Korean look. So this look probably looks familiar, right? For those that watch this drama. So the main point of this look, I think, was her collar top. It was buttoned all the way to the top. This. And then her blazer, the buttons were all the way closed. So for this look, her makeup was pretty similar, but then her hairstyle. So Hyunbin told her, like, if you want to go get a North Korean passport, you have to look more North Korean because you look straight up South Korean. So she had to go to a hair salon and pick a different hairstyle. And I guess in North Korea, there's only certain styles that you can choose. So she chose the 어서 가세요 머리, which means hurry up and leave, hurry up and go. So she was like, yeah, I need to leave, I need to get out of here. So I'm going to pick the 어서 가세요 hairstyle. So you guys know the curls that are more like old-fashioned, where like the curls go in one direction and sometimes accidentally it'll like bundle into one. So it's like one spiral. So it's kind of like that. So let me show you. And her bangs too was curled away from her face. Like all the curls were away from her face. At first when she just got out of the hair salon, her curls looked so funny. But then after a while, you know how when the curls start getting loose, it actually looked kind of okay. And it was the time when she wore this outfit. It would have been a lot easier if I had a curler, but I only have a straightener. So curls kind of like this. I think like maybe my mom, she doesn't really know how to curl hair. I think if I just gave her a curling iron and told her to like curl my hair, it'll kind of turn out like this. So I think I'm actually pretty good with curling my hair, so it's hard to try to do bad curls. Kind of like the hairstyle that she had when she rode the train to take her photo, her passport photo. I've been so hot. I wish she could be right here as my guest. So the main look of this is the high button-up top and then the crazy curls, or I guess it's cute. So for her last look, she had like a furry yellow sweater with a collar, but this is the only thing that I have in my closet. And then she had on like a dark green cardigan, but this is all I have. So her main point of this look was her handkerchief that she used as a hair tie. And during this look, Hyunbin's the one that tied her hair for her because she was about to go out in front of a crowd and he told her like, you shouldn't walk out like that with your hair like that. Tie it, because if you don't, then the people are going to think you're either a foreigner or you're a crazy person. So he ties her hair for her. It's just in a ponytail. And with this handkerchief, he just ties it. I actually really like this look of hers. So in North Korea, I noticed they mix a lot of colors in their clothing, like yellow and green. Yeah, they're not trendy, but of course, Ye-Jin made it look pretty. So I liked the scarf detail, and I think it's really nice. Like, I will wear a scarf on my hair. I've never done it before. You know those scrunchies, those poofy scrunchies? I used to use that all the time when I was in elementary school, and now I notice it's back. Like, whenever I went to Urban Outfitters in LA, they were selling those scrunchies again. I was like, oh my god, I used to use this when I was elementary. So I have a feeling this will be back in style as well. It's like a casual hairstyle that you could just wear every day. I should go to like Dongdaemun and find like different fabrics and different color and patterns so that it matches my outfits. Like I'll get a black and maybe a blue. I also thought that girl that Hyunbin was engaged to in North Korea, she was also really pretty. Like I really liked her like outfits and her hairstyle. Let me know if you guys want me to do something similar to this, but her look instead, the other girl. So for the last look, it's going to be Yoonseri again, back in Seoul, Korea. Okay, so for her last Seoul look, it's going to be the high buns, what you call 똥머리 in Korea. I did like 2 different hair tutorials on Korean hair buns. I really like the scene when she had her hair tied up in a bun. So for this last look, I'm going to tie my hair in a bun. And she had on like these really pretty, I think it was like a moon shaped earring, but I'm just going to put these on. They also interviewed her hairstylist that was in charge of all her hairstyles for this drama. She mentioned how Ye-Jin is so good at the bun hairstyles that she does the buns herself on a lot of like dramas. So I'm thinking maybe she did her own hair, her own bun for this scene, but who knows. Anyways, so what I like to do, since my hair is already curled, that's good. Whenever I put my hair in the bun, I always curl my hair first and then put it in the bun, because I feel like when it's curled, it's just thicker, so the bun's like bigger and more stiff, whereas if my hair is straight, then it's very loose and then the straight strands like stick out. So it's better to curl your hair when you're putting your hair in a bun. Up here. And what I like to do is I like to tie my hair first. So I'm going to tie my hair. I haven't put my hair in a bun for a really long time. I used to put it in a bun all the time, long time ago. Okay, so after that, get another one. Just roll your hair like this, like twist it, wrap it around. I feel like it's prettier when there's more volume here, so I like to kind of like pull out some of the hair. She has a lot of like baby hair, which is good because I also have a lot of baby hair. Okay. So this is another favorite look of mine of Yoonseri's. So that was all, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me talking about my favorite look of Yoonseri's, her looks in South Korea and in North Korea. Please let me know down in the comments which look you guys liked in this video. 2, 3, 4. Oh, is there 5? Let me know. Also, let me know if you guys are also watching this drama, and if you're not watching this drama, highly recommend you do. Hope you guys have a great day. Please stay safe, wear your mask, wash your hands, carry hand sanitizers. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!
In my mind, wherever I go in my dreams, when I lay in my bed, we can get you out of there.